Other coolants leave a oily residue on the table or vices or things like that. So overnight, you come in the next morning, everything's covered in oil, not great. Switching to master fluid has been a lot better for us in the maintenance standpoint of dealing with coolant. You don't want your hands feeling oily all day. Guys are breathing that in. You don't want guys coughing. So something that's safe for the body, safe for the operators and guys we have running the machines is what we ultimately decided to choose. That's what helps us most with master fluid. When it comes to a comfortability or a convenience for the guys that are actually in the machines, I think that matters the most. It's one thing for me to sit up in the office and say, yeah, this coolant's better. It's another thing to actually ask the guys using it.
Once I got here, they told us what the coolant tanks are and how much they need to be filled at what level. And it was kind of learning the ropes of how to get it there at first. And then after that, it's looking at it and saying, oh, this kind of has a weird smell. Oh, this has stuff floating on the top of it. So it's kind of just attacking how to fix those problems and what I can do to fix those problems. That's kind of what I break it down to. The smell, the color, and how I can fix those two things. And once those are kind of set and they smell good and look fine, I'm fine.
Coming in the morning and not having everything covered in oil or chips sticking to everything because it's not covered in oil has been a massive change from what we used to have. It's less filling of the coolant tanks. You're not breathing in anything harmful, no residual oil. Price is great. So having the confidence of a coolant that actually does a phenomenal job of keeping things cool is one less worry you have to worry about.